I'm Pablo Ursa, and I'm the creative director at Train Technologies. As creative director at Train Technologies, what I get to do every day is bring our brand to life. So I am at heart a storyteller and an illustrator, so I always knew I wanted to create stuff with my hands and help people take complex ideas and express them in a way that's creative and easy to consume. And the fact that I get to do that as my job is really exciting. One of my favorite things about working at Train Technologies and what it really means to me deep down when I kind of boil it all down, I love that I have a place where I can come into work and support an organization that doesn't just talk the talk, but walks the walk about creating sustainability. It's a huge impact on the planet, and knowing that I can help tell that story, it's good to know that what I'm doing could have a really big impact on the world and the environment. Not having been diagnosed with ADHD younger in life, it just made me feel like something was wrong with just my capacity. And there was this fear in me to acknowledge that I had this hidden disability because I thought that it came with a lot of stigma. I learned to kind of give myself grace about that and say, oh, that literally is true. Your brain isn't wired the same way as other people. And then when I started talking about it, I realized how a lot of it opened the door for a lot of people to share about their disabilities too and stuff that they've been dealing with. Breaking that stigma around mental health in adults, and especially in men, I think it's important for us to be open about that. And I know that creating that safe space and saying, oh, that's me and that's okay, has been really probably one of my favorite things about having gotten diagnosed. The Hidden Disabilities program I think is really interesting. And then when I heard that we were doing it at Train Technologies, it really made me feel like, oh, we're really thinking about ways of making this space safe and inclusive for everybody. And it just made me really proud to work here.